We've just seen how we can work out an empirical formula if we know the masses of each element that make up that compound. This means that we can calculate an empirical formula for a compound experimentally, meaning that we can use the results of an experiment. Let's think about an example which is making magnesium oxide. We can make magnesium oxide by burning magnesium in air, which exposes the magnesium to oxygen, and magnesium plus oxygen reacts together in order to produce magnesium oxide. Let's think about how we might go about calculating the mass of magnesium and the mass of oxygen that react together in order to form magnesium oxide, which we could then use with the method described in the previous slide to work out the empirical formula of magnesium oxide. The first step is to heat a crucible until it's red hot, which you can do using a Bunsen burner. The Bunsen burner will provide heat, which will cause any water to boil away, or any oil to burn off, leaving the crucible clean and dry. Before you touch the crucible, you need to make sure to allow it to cool. You can then weigh the crucible and the lid all together. In the third step, you want to add some clean magnesium ribbon to the crucible before re-weighing it. This will allow you to calculate the mass of the magnesium ribbon, because the mass of the magnesium ribbon will be equal to the mass of the crucible with the ribbon minus the mass of the crucible before you put the ribbon in. The only thing that will have changed between the values you get in step 2 and step 3 for weighing the crucible will be the addition of the magnesium ribbon, so the extra mass comes from the ribbon. You then want to react this magnesium with air or oxygen specifically, and you do this by heating the crucible, leaving a small gap between the lid and the crucible so that oxygen can enter it. You can see this diagram that you once again use a Bunsen burner, and the small gap allows access of oxygen from the air to the magnesium. In this step, you want to heat the crucible until all the magnesium ribbon has turned white. This is because the product, magnesium oxide, is white. And therefore, when all the magnesium ribbon has turned white, the reaction is over.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.